Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about the top 5 spring home renovation projects that will add value to your property. Spring is the perfect time to tackle home renovation projects, whether you are looking to sell your home or just want to make some updates to improve your quality of life. These home renovations can add significant value to your property and make your home more functional and attractive. So let's dive in and look at the top 5 spring home renovation projects that will add value to your property. Number 1 on our list is a kitchen remodel. A kitchen is often referred to as the heart of the home, and upgrading your kitchen can make it more functional and attractive. Adding new cabinets and countertops, updated appliances, and a fresh coat of paint can increase the value of your home and make it more appealing to potential buyers. Number 2 is a bathroom remodel. Upgrading your bathroom can also add value to your property. Updating your fixtures, lighting, and adding a new vanity can make your bathroom more attractive and functional. Number 3 is a deck addition. Adding a deck can provide you with additional living space and increase the value of your home. When it comes to adding a deck, consider the size and shape, choose the right materials, and think about the design and layout to ensure it complements the style of your home. Number 4 is landscaping. Landscaping can add curb appeal to your home and increase its value. Choosing the right plants for your climate and soil, considering the layout of your yard, and thinking about the maintenance required can make your home more attractive and appealing to potential buyers. Number 5 is energy-efficient upgrades. Adding insulation, upgrading your windows and doors, and installing a programmable thermostat can make your home more comfortable and energy-efficient, saving you money on your energy bills and increasing the value of your home. So those are the top 5 spring home renovation projects that will add value to your property. Remember, if you need help with your spring renovation projects, Renozy can connect you with reliable and experienced contractors to ensure that your projects are completed to your satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.